Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do a slightly different video. I've never shot outside my studio ever. This is the first time I'm going to do it. So today I'm going makeup shopping along with my cousin Sanjot. You've seen her. If you're following me regularly on my channel, you've definitely seen her because I had done makeup on her for wedding guest look. I'll put the link in the bio. So cut to the point, I am going to go shopping with her today. She needs to buy some makeup, so I'm going to take her to a couple of brands and help her shop. So I hope you enjoy today's video, which is going to be a lot different than what I usually do. But if that's your kind of thing, then stay tuned till the end. Yay! That's my cousin. She's Sanjot. I'm sure you've seen her before. Are you excited for your makeup shopping?
Very much.
You know you're going to shop with the expert, right? Okay, see you later.
Bye-bye.
So guys, we're going to PAC first. PAC Cosmetics is my newfound love in makeup. I'm going to take her to PAC first. She wants to buy a concealer. She wants to buy a powder foundation, a couple of lipsticks. So I'm going to take her to PAC, show her the products. She can shop there, whatever she wants. And then later, we are going to MAC as well, because she wants to try out the Studio Fix powder foundation at MAC, and I'll try and film it while she's trying different shades, so you guys get an idea as to how you should be shopping for your shade of foundation or a concealer. So stay tuned. So first we are going to try and look for powder foundations. And she's a pretty lady who's assisting us today. What is your name?
Smita.
She's Smita. So we're going to try different colors. They have beautiful range of colors right here. So she's going to try a couple of them and see which one suits her better. Which shade is this?
08.
So this is 08 and this is called Studio Finish Compact Powder. This is shade 08. One side of the face and you can still see blemishes, and this is the other side and it looks beautiful. Try the other side. So I'm going to try under her eye now. This is 05 that I'm going to try now on her under eye so that we see the difference. You can clearly see the difference, how beautifully this eye is concealed and this is not. So on this eye, I'm now going to try a lighter color, which is 08. This conceals as well, but this is a little more lighter, so it's highlighting a lot more than this, which is the exact match. So if you want like a highlighted look, then you can go for this, but if you want like very close to skin natural look, then this is what you should be going for. This is more like her skin, so I would ideally like her to buy 05, which is this one. Now the rest is her call.
175, 1395, 1395, 1745, 1595, 1595, 1595, 1595. Okay.
So these are the two eyeshadow palettes that we have shortlisted, and I think I'm going to go with this one because it's got 1, 2, 3, 4 shimmer colors and 1, 2, 3, 4 matte colors. So these are for the crease. This is for highlighting. This is a shimmer color as well. And these 4 are on for the lid. So this palette is definitely very versatile in my opinion. So that's the eyeshadow look I've created for her using the palette that we've shortlisted. I'll show you in a bit. And now she's trying different lipsticks. We just finished shopping. So she bought these 2 lip liners. One is like flesh toned and one is little darker, which is good for contouring. Then she bought this concealer, which is in number 4. She bought these 3 lipsticks, 1 eyeshadow palette, the compact powder, and what is this? This is another eyeshadow palette. Yes. So this I got for my friend. This she got for herself. And this is the powder brush that she's got. Amazing brush. This is brush number 214. And she got a lip primer as well. Yay! Because I did her makeup. So you can see I have applied the concealer and the compact powder that I bought for her. And she looks bomb. And that's the lip color she's bought also. Yay! It's all going down. We are blowing our money on makeup. Hi again. So we just finished shopping. And we completely canned MAC shopping. Like completely canned it. Like she was floored by the PAC products. And she got exactly what she needed. So we really didn't have to go to MAC at all. She even found a very good... why the fuck is he honking? Like seriously, dude. Anyway, so she was completely in love with the PAC Cosmetics ka Studio Finish. I think it's called Studio Finish also. Compact powder. So she bought that. And I also tried another lipstick. You can tell. Because I was wearing another color when I was going for shopping. So yeah, we finished shopping. Now we're gonna go home. I'm gonna park my car first. And we are gonna go have some drinks and dinner outside, because I don't get my cousin come over every day, you know. So I'm gonna make the most of it. We're just gonna go chill, and I hope you liked watching today's video. This is something really different. I've never done this before, so please excuse me if the quality was bad or if I haven't captured it the right way or the way it's supposed to be. So yeah, that's it from me for now. And don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends and subscribe. On that note, I shall take your leave. You take care of yourself, and I will see you really soon. Bye guys.